Hello and welcome back. Today I want to show you how I do seamless connections when working double crochet. So I will chain one, and now I'm making actually front post double crochet. So I will look where to place my hook, and then I will pull yarn through. Once I have 3 loops on the hook, I will put yarn through the first one and the third loop only. Then I will pull yarn through both loops and I will chain one. That's my double crochet. And then I just work the rest as usual. To connect this round, let me do one more front post double crochet, and then I will connect my stitch to the last 2 loops that I made. There are 2 loops and you just slip stitch, and it looks nice and neat, and you cannot even tell where the beginning and ending of the row is. So you start again with chain 1, make your double crochet through the first and the third loop, both loops, chain 1,